Today we have a very interesting product right here in the office, which is the OMBAR 4K dash cam, which I'm going to unbox and show you guys everything about this product right here in this video. I mean, OMBAR did send this out to me, but all of my review and experience of this product right here is gonna be my own. So let's get into the video. Let's just take a closer look on the box right here and what comes inside the package. So you can see right here, it's from OMBAR. It's 4K dash cam full color night vision, HDR3, Starvis 2, and it includes a 128 gig of SD card included in this package right here. And to the bottom section right there, as you guys can see, we have 3.16 screen, 4K UHD video, GPS tracking, G sensor, parking monitoring, 3 channel, which is the front, the interior, and the back, which is the rear. And also we have full night vision, we have 5G Wi-Fi, loop recording, and front view of 170 degrees, which is very great and very interesting product right here. So that's it. So let's see what's inside the package. Okay guys, so inside the package right here, we have this little card, nice little warranty card. We have some more guide right here. So we got the user manual. So these are some cables. Got some more cables as well. I think this is for the rear camera. We got some 3M tapes. We got some pricing tool. We got sticker, which is gonna warn that security is on your car. We have SD card inside right here, which is 128 gig. So this is the 4K camera. 3M tape at the bottom right there. This right here feels really premium. So it's a nice little camera. Feeling nice. The texture of it is really tough. This right here is the back camera or rear camera. You got some stickers right here for the windshield. So this is what you're going to use for installation process on your glass. Alright guys, so here I have the camera right here, which is the front facing camera and the inside camera. So I'm gonna just tear off this screen protector right here. You guys can see that's how the screen look right there. Alright guys, so once it's boot up right there, you are gonna need to click on some settings. So this right here is not really touch screen, but you can use the button. On the bottom section right here, you guys can see navigation button up and down and OK. So preferred language right there, I'm gonna choose English. So let me just click on that. Time zone, you're gonna click on the time zone. You're gonna set your date and time right there. So after you guys set your time, you are gonna set the speed. Now for my car, it's recorded in kilometers per hour, so I'm gonna use kilometers per hour. If your car is recorded in miles per hour, you can choose miles per hour depending on your settings of your car and the mileage and your country. So you insert the memory card. So you can see right there it's saying that please insert the memory card. So I'm going to insert memory card right now. I'm going to install it right onto the top section right here. So you that click so on. Format the memory card. Then we are going to format the memory card. So we will need to go into some settings. So on this button right here, you can see this is the menu button. I'm gonna click on this. Please format the memory card. And these are all the menu which is onto it right here. So you guys can see, let's just go through them. So we have the playback, we have the resolution, we have the mirror flip, we have the loop recording, we have the WDR, we have the EV setting, frequency, G sensor, Wi-Fi, GPS, time zone, screen settings, volume settings, sound recording, language, power indicator settings, headlight reminder, fatigue driver alert, parking monitor, date and time, CarPlay stamp, video stamp, delete reminder, format reminder, format SD card, default settings, card information, and version. So what you want to do right now is to format SD card. Click on OK. All data will be deleted. So go over right here and confirm. And now our memory card is being formatted right here. Format successful. Alright guys, for this installation process, you have to ensure that the windscreen is clean before you wipe it. So I'm gonna get off some of the little dust on the windscreen right here. Then we're gonna get this plastic thing that come inside, and then we are going to install it on the place that we want to install your camera. So you're gonna peel off this little plastic right here, and you're gonna find a suitable place on your glass, the preferred of your choice, and then we're gonna install it right here. Now, as I said earlier, this is where I'm gonna place my camera on the glass right there. So next, you want to get your camera right here, and you want to tear off this little thing from the M tape. Don't make sure that you tear it off properly, and don't tear off the whole of the M tape. See right there, I got that piece off right here, and make sure to leave the gray part alone onto it right there. Then now we are gonna place this onto the front of the windshield right there. As you can see right there, guys, this is all looking so far. You can see right there already, we are seeing the front side of the car. Let's see if I can change some of the menu right here where you can see inside. Yes, I can see inside as well. You guys are seeing me right there, and you can see both cameras. You can see right there, installed quite fine already. So what I need to do now is to attach my rear camera and let you guys see. And the thing that I love about this as well is that this front facing camera right here, let's turn that on, it can tilt, so you can adjust it anywhere inside the car right there, as you can see. So you can get more perspective inside the car wherever you like it. So the next step of this installation process is to have your cables well tucked into this section right here onto the car. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You can just easily just tuck it around to the back. Now I got this long cord right here, which this gonna work with the rear camera, and this is the rear camera right here. Also we have another protected film inside, which gonna put on your glass as well. I mean, this is not something that you're going to install outside the car, because I guess it's somehow probably not waterproof. You're going to install it in the back glass of the car. I mean, you're not going to install this outside of the car, because it's not a reverse camera, it's just a camera to show you guys what's going on the back. So please don't make the mistake of install this outside of your car and use this as a reverse camera, because it is not. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Alright, so first I'm going to hook it up first just to see if everything is working before I start the installation process. Now what we're going to do, we're going to plug this cable right here inside the camera. I'm going to plug it right here. Alright guys, as you can see, I have installed the camera right now. So what I have done is I have tucked this cable onto this section right here, go across. So this one is for the power supply itself, and then I run another cord right here to this section right here. So what I did is that I don't run the cord at the same section. I run one to this side and one to this side right here, and this is all right there. So I have 3 cameras set up right now. Let me put it on that. So let's see, we have 3 camera connection. So in the back section right there, you can see I have it installed in the back glass. Alright guys, one thing to note with this right here, we have a mobile option, so you can scan the code and one of these card where you can install the app on your phone, so you can control it from your phone. Now the QR code is on the user manual right here, so you guys can scan this and download the app from their app store. So right now I'm recording on the dash camera right here. I'm using 3 cameras. I'm using the front camera, I'm using the back camera, which is the rear camera, and I'm using the inside camera right here. So I'm just testing it, let you guys see the quality which has been coming out of this camera right here, and also the audio is coming from this camera as well, so you guys can see how this look. So with this camera right here guys, you're not going to miss a thing on the road. Very great to capture those, even those POV shot style video, and you can use this for security measures as well. So let's see how this actually looks, the quality right here, and let me know what you guys think about this as well for a 4K camera. So this is just the quality. Let me know what you guys think. and the quality that this camera is being recorded. The front camera is the highest quality. You have the option where you can choose the amount of camera you want to record. So you can record with the 3 camera, you can record with 1 camera, 2 camera, but the quality is different from each camera. The back camera and inside camera is 1080p and the front camera is 4K. So it's the only camera that has 4K recording. And it can go up to 5K if you're recording based on the option that you guys choose. So there you have it, guys. This is the installation of this OMBAR security dash cam. So if you have any question about this product right here, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. If this video was helpful, also leave a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.